McKinsey's new report landed yesterday. 50% of white-collar workers displaced by 2028. That's 67 million jobs gone. Goldman Sachs data shows generative AI already impacted 300 million full-time roles globally. This isn't speculation anymore. It's happening now. Knowledge workers face the sharpest cuts. Accountants, paralegals, junior analysts, customer service managers, these roles collapse first under AI automation. OpenAI's latest model processes contracts in 90 seconds. Law firms that took weeks now redundant. IBM replaced 8,000 workers with AI last quarter. They're not alone. Google, Amazon, Meta, all cutting white-collar positions simultaneously. Your job description probably matches an AI training dataset right now. Every email you send, every report you file, feeds the model replacing you. This isn't fear-mongering, it's pattern recognition. Adaptation starts today, or obsolescence hits hard. The window for pivoting your career closes fast. Companies moving first hire the people moving fastest. Reskilling now beats unemployment later. Your financial security depends on your next 90 days of action. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.